Hey guys, excuse the look, but this is kind of middle of the day, so this is the new Ibiza tank that is releasing this Thursday night at 8 o'clock. The pictures are already available in the album, so you can claim off of there. My true to size with Epiphany is a small. This is an extra small, and as you can see, it still fits plenty good. Even though it's sleeveless, it does cover up your bra underneath here. It does have a scoop neck to it. Nice A-line flow to it. It is long enough to wear with leggings. This is a leggings top with Penthouse pants that are leggings also that are pleated. And so you can see there's enough flow in here where even with pleated pants with pockets on the inside, I've got enough flow even sizing down one where it fits okay. So let's see what it looks like when I go to my true to size. Okay, wowzers, so y'all know I like bling, and this is pretty blingy. Now this is my true to size. Now if you're going to get this particular fabric, I would not size down in it. The small on this, which is my true to size, fits pretty well. I know that they showed it where you could take it and knot it. Of course, I've got leggings or Penthouse pants on with this, but it's maybe a tiny bit longer. This fabric is a little different. It doesn't stretch as much as the leggings fabric, and I know this may be a little blingy for some of y'all, but think if you have a cocktail party to go to, or even if you live in a warm area, a Christmas party or something like that, this is a real cute. I wear bling all the time. Y'all know me, so anyway, this is a small, and this is the only small I have, so it's not as good of a comparison, but this fabric is very shiny, very unique, and it is available on Thursday in all sizes. So let's see what happens when I go up a size. Okay, so now I'm in a medium, which is going up a size for me. So you can see it's a little bit more flowy. I'm back to a more traditional fabric. This is not a leggings fabric, but I think I could easily go back down to a small in this and be fine. But very cute flow. I mean, it's still, you can see it covers up the armholes, even sizing up one. A little bit of the bra showing here, but that's just this type of bra, I think. But you get a little bit more length on it, a little bit more flow. So it all depends on, this is a different fabric again. So it all depends on the type of look you're looking for. But look at these fabrics. You've got a floral. This is a navy background. Look at all those colors in it. Again, I had the extra small was the black and white polka dots. They've got tie-dye, they've got bling, lots of different fabrics. These will be releasing on Thursday night. There is an album already available. If you want to go check out the prints or ask any questions, let us know. But this is a cute black and white polka dot. And again, there is the bling, and they've got solids. This color would be great going into the fall. Now, if you size up, I don't think it would work as well with you tucking it into a skirt or pants. But if you want to wear it out, sizing up is definitely an option. I could take this and belt it if I wanted for a different look. This is a burnt orange, very good color for fall. So anyway, guys, check them out. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.